About 2 years of DAUS telling me his collection is finally out, you guys. This is the DAUS Mendoza X GLAMLITE collection, and this looks incredible. Off with the PR box, it has his face all in it, and then you open it up like this, and it has all 3 of his looks, and then when you put this down, all the product is inside. This PR box is literally next level. In the collection, we have the GLAMLITE X DAUS mirror, you guys. This is so cute, and then on the box, it has his picture. He looks so stunning. This is the mirror, like the detail, everything. It is so good. Next up, we have the 30 pan artistry palette, and you guys, look at the attention to detail on all of the packaging. It is so good. And then here is the actual palette, and here she is, you guys. 30 stunning shades. We have some pinks, some purples, some blues, some nude shades, and some shimmers. I am so excited to try her out. Start with shade Haze and Dausxglamlite. I think that's how you say it, Dausxglamlite. Yes, I'm just gonna tap off any fallout and then go in. This is gonna be the base for my eyeshadow, and right away I'm seeing some pretty good pigment, and it doesn't look patchy at all. Taking shade Skinny on a little bit of a smaller brush just to deepen up the outer edge, and I feel like these eyeshadows are layering on together nicely. They look really smooth on the eyelid. So we're out with the eyes. Now we're gonna take this white shade in the corner here, Phantom. Also, I just want to note how cute is the stamping in this, a little cat print. We're gonna take this, and I'm gonna place it right at the front of my eye. I'm really picky with my white eyeshadow. I like it super bright, so let's see. Okay, that looks pretty bright. Let me blend her out a little. Okay, DAUS knows what he's doing when it comes to eyeshadow. Look at how brightening that is on the inner corners. I love it. The main star of the palette, we're gonna go in with this shimmer shade Body Tea, and DAUS's body is tea, so this shimmer better be tea. Just gonna tap off any excess and start to tap it onto the lid here, and let's see what we're working with. Okay, that's pretty blinding. Let me go ahead and blend it out a little bit. The completed eyeshadow look, it is safe to say DAUS's eyeshadow palette is worth your little gold coins, and let's move on to the next product because I'm excited to try it out. Up, we have a mascara, and if you know DAUS, he is iconically known for saying just the tip on the lashes, so he came out with a mascara called Just the Tip Mascara. Packaging is literally everything. It is so iconic. We're gonna go in now. I just curled my lashes, and the wand is super unique on this. Go in and start doing it on just the tips, as DAUS would say, and let's see if we can get as long as lashes as he has, because his lashes are beautiful. Here is one eye with the mascara, and here's the side without. I honestly have no complaints. I'm not a big mascara girl, but it's very black. It didn't clump. It lengthened. It did everything I could ask for. Up in the collection, we have a blush trio. I'm probably most excited for this in the whole collection because DAUS is known for his pussy pink blush, and you guys, these are not pussy pink. I don't know what is. Start with this top shade right here and just start to layer it on the cheeks. I'm a little scared. This looks pretty pigmented. Let's just go ahead and start tapping her in. Okay, right away we're starting to see that beautiful pink color come through. This looks absolutely gorgeous. It's like my favorite shade of blush. A little scared, but just because I want to try them all, we're gonna go in with a little bit of these two and really blow it off. Just put it on the high points of the cheeks right here just to really emphasize the cheeks. This is one side with blush. This is the side without. You guys, looks so pretty. Might have got a little excited with the blush, but don't worry because DAUS also has 3 snatching powders, you guys. These are 3 brightening powders. We have like a yellow, a peach, and like a lavender. I don't know. This is reading kind of gray to me on camera, but we're gonna try her out. Love that he has his little D logo and all of it. We're just gonna dip right into this shade, and I'm honestly kind of scared, you guys, but let's go ahead and see what it does. Just gonna tap it here. Okay, that definitely started to brighten right there. Do you guys see that? I'm gonna start to tap this into the under eye and see what we're working with here. I am really picky about my under eye brighteners, so I wanna see if this can replace my everyday one. Here is one side with the brightening powder. This is the side without. I feel like you can definitely tell it brightened. Let's come a little closer because I saw some people saying it gave them shine. I'm gonna check. Here is the side with it, the side without. I feel like I'm a little shiny on both sides, but I feel like I can definitely see a little bit of shine right there. Up in the collection, we have 2 lip kits. We have the DSL lip kit, which I will be using today, and then we have the Putona lip kit, which is more of like a red tone. This is the DSL lip kit. We have a lip liner, a lipstick, and a plumping lip gloss. The packaging is so good. I love it. Starting off with the lip liner and just lining my top lip, and I will say I love that these are a wooden pencil, so you can sharpen them and keep them really crisp, and it's pretty creamy, no issues. Next up, we have the lipstick, and okay, customization. This is literally so cute. It has the little D logo right in here, and I feel like I'm gonna love this lip combo. I feel like me and DAUS wear similar lip colors. Okay, first impression, super creamy, and let's see if I like the color. Okay, yes, this is literally right up my alley, you guys. I love this. The gloss, it's like a baby pink sparkly gloss, which I believe is a plumping gloss, and I don't usually love plumping gloss, but let's see how intense it is. Gonna go ahead and put it on. This smells good. It smells like strawberries, so I love that. Okay, the plumping effect is not that bad. Actually, it's more of like a coolie minty effect, which I actually like. And you guys, this might be my new everyday lip combo. I'm obsessed. This is the completed makeup using the new DAUS X GLAMLITE makeup collection. You guys, I'm absolutely obsessed. The blush, the eyes, everything looks so good. Give a huge shout out to DAUS. I'm so proud of you and congratulations on your beautiful collection. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments, and I love it. Love you, besties.